Pork humba, sweet, savory, and packed with that deep Bisaya flavor. Let's cook it from scratch. First, we sear the pork until it's golden on the edges, Adobo sa Asin style. This is where all that flavor starts building. Once the pork's browned, in go the aromatics, garlic, onions, to build that base flavor. Now for the humba sauce, soy sauce, vinegar, brown sugar, and a few whole peppercorns and bay leaf for that signature aroma. Cover and let it simmer low and slow. This is when the pork turns tender and soaks up all that sauce. Once the pork's tender, we uncover and let the sauce reduce. This is where it turns glossy and sticky sweet. And that's it. Pork humba ready to serve. Sweet, savory, and so good with rice.